Welcome to my channel Car Auto. Ladies and gentlemen, humanoid robots in 2025 represent a remarkable fusion of technological advancement, artificial intelligence, and human-centric design. These machines are not only engineered to resemble humans physically but are increasingly being developed to understand, learn from, and interact with humans in a natural and meaningful way. As the world becomes more automated and interconnected, humanoid robots are playing a growing role in various sectors, including healthcare, customer service, entertainment, education, and even domestic environments. In 2025, humanoid robots have reached a level of sophistication that allows them to walk, run, climb stairs, and perform complex gestures and facial expressions with a high degree of accuracy. This physical dexterity is made possible by a combination of advanced robotics, mechanical engineering, and real-time sensor feedback systems. For example, companies like Boston Dynamics, Honda, and Tesla have significantly improved the agility and stability of their robots, enabling them to navigate uneven terrain, carry objects, and even engage in basic forms of self-correction when they encounter obstacles. Artificial intelligence has also seen tremendous leaps forward, and humanoid robots benefit greatly from this evolution. In 2025, many humanoid robots are equipped with machine learning algorithms that allow them to adapt to their environments and the people they interact with. They can recognize faces, understand voice commands, and respond in multiple languages. More impressively, they can interpret emotional cues through facial recognition and voice tone analysis, enabling them to respond empathetically in conversations. Some robots are even trained in the nuances of human social interaction, allowing them to provide companionship to the elderly, teach children, or assist individuals with disabilities. The healthcare sector, in particular, has seen an increase in the use of humanoid robots. These robots assist in physical therapy, help monitor patients' health status, and provide emotional support to those in long-term care facilities. They can guide patients through exercises, remind them to take their medication, and alert healthcare providers if any abnormalities are detected. Because they never tire, they are capable of providing continuous support in environments where human staff may be limited or overworked. In customer service, humanoid robots are increasingly becoming the first point of contact for customers in banks, airports, hotels, and shopping centers. They can greet visitors, answer questions, provide directions, and even handle basic transactions. Unlike traditional kiosks or machines, humanoid robots offer a more interactive and personable experience. Their ability to maintain eye contact, use gestures, and exhibit polite social behavior makes them more appealing and trustworthy to human users. In homes, humanoid robots are starting to fulfill roles that were once the domain of science fiction. While not yet universally affordable, they are slowly becoming more accessible, particularly in countries with aging populations. These robots help with household chores, monitor for safety hazards, and serve as companions to reduce loneliness. Some even serve as educational tutors for children, capable of adjusting lesson plans to match the learning pace and style of the student. Their ability to access vast databases of information in real time makes them powerful tools for learning and development. In the entertainment industry, humanoid robots have taken on roles in performances, theme parks, and interactive exhibits. They can act, sing, dance, and perform with a level of precision that enhances the audience's experience. With AI-generated personalities and expressions, some are capable of improvisational dialogue, making them ideal for interactive storytelling. These robots are also used in simulations for training actors, athletes, and even soldiers by providing realistic practice scenarios. However, the rise of humanoid robots in 2025 is not without its challenges and ethical concerns. Issues such as job displacement, privacy, and emotional dependency have sparked debates around the world. As robots take on more human-like roles, there is growing concern about how society will adapt to a workforce shared between humans and machines. The ethical programming of these robots is also a major topic of discussion. Developers must ensure that robots respect human rights, maintain user privacy, and behave in a manner that aligns with societal norms and values. Furthermore, as humanoid robots become more lifelike, the line between humans and machines becomes increasingly blurred. This raises questions about identity, consciousness, and what it truly means to be human. While today's robots are not conscious beings, their ability to mimic emotional and social behavior can lead some users to form attachments to them. This emotional bonding, while potentially beneficial in therapeutic settings, could also lead to psychological complications if not managed properly. From a technological standpoint, creating truly autonomous humanoid robots remains a significant challenge. Balancing energy efficiency, computational power, and mobility in a compact form factor is no easy feat. Battery technology, in particular, continues to be a bottleneck, limiting the operating time of many humanoid robots. Nonetheless, advances in lightweight materials, efficient actuators, and low-power computing are helping to overcome these hurdles. Globally, countries are investing heavily in robotics research and development. Japan, South Korea, China, the United States, and several European nations are at the forefront of humanoid robotics innovation. Governments and private companies alike are pouring resources into creating robots that can help address social challenges such as aging populations, labor shortages, and the need for continuous education. In education, humanoid robots are being used not only as tutors but also as tools for teaching coding, robotics, and AI to students. They serve as interactive platforms for experiential learning, helping students understand complex STEM concepts through hands-on activities. This not only enhances learning outcomes but also inspires the next generation of engineers, scientists, and innovators. As we look forward to the future, humanoid robots are expected to become even more integrated into our daily lives. Advances in brain-computer interfaces, neural networks, and quantum computing may eventually enable these robots to process information and respond with even greater speed and nuance. While there is still a long way to go before humanoid robots can fully replicate the richness of human behavior and consciousness, the progress made by 2025 is a strong indicator that we are on a path toward coexistence with machines that can understand, support, and even care for us in ways once only imagined in fiction. The key to harnessing their potential lies in responsible development, ethical oversight, and a commitment to using these technologies to enhance human well-being rather than replace it. Please subscribe to my channel Car Auto.